Well, good morning. It's a blustery, sunny morning. It's your daily fill. We're at the Weston Red Barn Farm, and we're gonna pick apples and other stuff. I don't know, well, I guess they do have some pumpkins ready, so let's take a look. That one's pretty good. This is very bumpy. We had a fun day. Went out to the farm, got our apples, got a couple pumpkins, even though the kids were a little bit confused because it's like, well, we're not carving them yet. Draw on them or whatever, but anyway. Was a lot of fun. Spent the rest of the day just hanging out with the kids, basically. Nice, lazy Sunday. It doesn't feel like a Sunday since we have the day off tomorrow. But anyway, now I'm looking on Craigslist for desks and dining room tables. Should probably look for like twin beds, frames and everything. Maybe I'll go ahead and get new mattresses, but I don't know. I almost want, you know, it's a weird feeling. It's like I want to get everything for the apartment, but at the same time I almost want to wait and really see the space, get all my stuff in it, then start shopping so that I know more or less what I'm working with. The only one that's going to get me is having the computer desk, because this is how I do these videos, is use my computer. So, anyway, I have to figure out some sort of temporary solution. I don't know what that's going to be. The one thing I did notice that I wasn't really focused on when I toured it, a distinct lack of closet space. There's only 2 closets in each bedroom, so there's no other closets throughout the apartment. Something I overlooked, but maybe I'll get bigger cabinet things and whatnot. Like, I know I'm taking that bookshelf that's back there, or aim better. Not sure where I'm going to put it, but you know, the kids are going to be in the bigger bedroom, so I'm definitely going to have space put more of those big things that'll take up wall space. But I do want to go vertical because I want to keep stuff out of the way. I want to keep this place clean. It's difficult to do with children, I'm fully aware, but overall, great day. We're moving forward.